many days, protests took place across the country. In the national capital too, doctors were seen outside hospitals on the streets demanding justice. My colleague Suryagini Roy is right outside RG Kar Hospital in Kolkata. Suryagini, we are seeing, people are turning up, especially from the medical fraternity, in large numbers. All that they are demanding is justice for Abhaya.
Well, absolutely, and Aishwarya, I'll show you these visuals. Hundreds of medical professionals, not only doctors, but doctors, nurses, medical professionals, everyone, they have hit the streets today. They are from various colleges, various hospitals. Now, this rally is going towards the Raj Bhavan. However, they'll be stopped at one particular point because, there's no gathering allowed in front of the Raj Bhavan, but a delegation will be allowed of the doctors to meet the governor. They will give the governor a memorandum wherein they will want the governor to ask the central government to speed up the inquiry that is happening by the CBI. As I was saying, Aishwarya, hundreds of doctors of various hospitals, nurses, medical professionals, everyone have, hit the streets this time. What we'll try and, have a word with some of them who are walking at this rally over here. मैडम अभी गवर्नर से मिलने जाने हैं आप लोग क्या डिमांड है गवर्नर के पास?
वो विनीत गोयल का पदत्याग चाहिए और विचार के नाम जो प्रहसन चल रहे हैं इतना लॉन्ग टाइम हो गया लेकिन कुछ नहीं मिला, वो विचार चाहिए।
आपको लग रहा है कि ये बहुत टाइम हो गया लेकिन अभी तक कुछ कॉन्क्रीट नहीं?
हम हॉस्पिटल में ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं, इनसिक्योर फील कर रहे हैं।
आप नर्स हैं?
आप नर्स हैं।
विनीत गोयल का रेजिग्नेशन क्यों मांग रहे हैं?
वो 14 अगस्त का जो आर्टिकल में हुआ था उसके लिए तो वही है ना, वो तो व्यक्त हुआ ना, पुलिस व्यक्त हुआ, इसलिए मैं
there are multiple demands which they will raise to the governor. Resignation of Vineet Goel because as we were speaking to the lady, she's a nurse. Very categorically they are maintaining that there was a law and order failure, especially by the role of the Kolkata police on the night of 14th. However, they also want the inquiry to be sped up, and that's the reason why they are visiting the governor right now. Aishwarya.
Suryagini, the experts have been pointing towards many loopholes when the investigation took place, and we are also understanding now that the main accused said that he did not kill and rape the doctor. He in fact is now claiming that he ran away when he saw the mortal remains of the doctor.
Well, Aishwarya, it's important to mention that almost a week back, we had spoken to Kavita Sarkar, who's the lawyer of this particular man called Sanjay Rai, and that is when she had told us that Sanjay had told her that he wanted the polygraph test to happen, and he had given the approval because, as per her, Sanjay had told her that he is being framed. So this, this theory, these have been there. We had spoken to the lawyer herself, who had spoken to Sanjay, and these statements were already made by Sanjay and his lawyers earlier as well. Now coming back to what majority of the people who are hitting the streets, what these people are claiming, and even right now, as we heard the nurse whom we spoke to right now, Aishwarya, that the trial needs to be sped up. The investigation needs to happen. It needs to get swifter. This is what all these people are claiming right now. Back to you.
Right, so Suryagini, if you can also tell us what are the doctors exactly demanding now, because the investigations at the moment are taking place and this is a huge rally. Doctors and medical professionals are walking at the Raj Bhavan Road.
Aishwarya, I'll give you another visual of this. You can still see this rally walking. Hundreds of doctors, not only doctors, it's wrong to just say that only doctors are participating in this. It's called a Mohamichil, which basically, means that it's a mega march. And hundreds of them, from the medical fraternity who have arrived over here, and from here a delegation will go and meet the governor. Now the reason why they conducted this march is because, as you know, when we were speaking, what the lady told us, who's a lawyer, who's a nurse basically, that the investigation needs to it needs to fasten it, get faster. That's what these people are claiming, that it's almost a month and they aren't not really seeing the positive signs of the investigation. This is what these people have been claiming for a long time now. So that's the reason why this mega march has been conducted, and now it has come to one particular point where it has been stopped, and a delegation, as I have been mentioning,
right,
will be visiting Rajbhavan.
That was my colleague Suryagini, who was right outside RJ Kar Medical College. There's a massive protest taking place in the state of West Bengal.